Hola, mi amigos. It's Dan from Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills. It's Cinco de Mayo coming up very soon, so we thought that we might do an old classic steak tacos on the pellet smoker outside. Who says you can't do seasoned steak on a pellet smoker? Well, we're going to do it today on our 4250 using the sear station, and we're also going to fry up our tortillas at the same time. So firstly, we're going to take our skirt steak, use some of our favorite little bit of barbecue seasoning on one side, and then the other side I'm going to use just a simple salt, pepper, garlic blend, SPG. Do a decent amount because I like my steak with a lot of flavor on my tacos. And then just going to squirt a little bit of lime on there as well. I love lime with my steak. Get as much of that lime on there as you can. And we're going to do a few more here. And then afterwards, obviously, you can see we got cilantro, onion, tortillas, we got guacamole. I'm going to season the rest of these flank steaks up, and we'll meet you outside with the 4250 in the sear station. Hey everybody, we're outside now. I got our 4250 set at about 325 degrees with the sear station inside. Let's take a look real quick. That is hot. I'll tell you what, man, that is screaming hot. So who says you can't cook hot and fast with a pellet smoker? Yeah, listen to that sizzle. That is going to be nice. It's not going to take too long. We'll flip this in just a couple minutes, and then it'll be pretty much done. And then after that, we'll get our tortilla fried up. So yeah, the 4250, it's very versatile. You can use it with the sear station for your hot and fast cooking. We got the easy load rack systems with the drip pans when you want to do low and slow smoking, things like that. You know, ribs, chicken, brisket, pork shoulder, anything you can think of, you can load this thing up if you want. Even sausage or jerky, since it can go so low in temperature with the Sportsman. I do also have the circulation fan going on right now. We do have the cold smoker attachment that we can use, or the spit rod attachment. Again, it's the most universal smoker out there. So yeah, it's gonna cook for a little bit here. I'm gonna close the lid for just a little bit, and I'll come back and we'll flip it over. See you then. All right, so we just got one of the steaks done here, and yeah, look at that nice flame broil you get on the sear station. That's really wonderful. That's how you get that nice char on the meat. You can't do that on a regular pellet grill. You just can't do it. So we're gonna do one more piece here, and then we'll show you how we're going to fry up the tortillas. We'll be right back. Okay, so we got Laura's skirt steak all finished up. I'm just going to keep it in that pan to keep it stay warm and let it rest for a little bit right there. We got our flat pan with some olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil, and we'll get our tortillas on there. So that'll just take a little while to fry up for a bit, nice and crispy. One other nice thing about this 4250 is one side you can close instead of both sides. So if in case you want to help retain the heat a little bit better, if it's a windy day like this, you can just keep that side closed and flip all your stuff here, and it'll help retain the heat better to cook a little quicker. So we're going to fry up all these here, and then we'll be right back inside and show you what the outcome is. Wonderful. So we're going to have a great lunch today. All of our skirt steak is cooked up nicely. We got the tortillas fried up as well on the 4250. Again, who says you can't cook hot and fast on a pellet smoker? They're wrong. You can with the 4250. So we're going to enjoy our Cinco de Mayo coming up. Skirt steak here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's tasty. So we're going to enjoy our lunch. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for looking. Go start cooking and check us out, smokedaddyinc.com.